I'm Daniel Folkinshteyn, Professor of Finance at the Department of Accounting and Finance at Rowan University. Let's talk about Bitcoin for a minute. You've probably heard about Bitcoin as a new kind of money and a new kind of financial asset. As an asset, it has performed exceedingly well, going from under $1 in 2010 to about $10,000 in 2020, with a lot of volatility in between. But price is not the most exciting thing about it. Let's talk about the problems it solves that give it value. Most of our money today is already digital. Your bank, PayPal, credit card, and Venmo transactions are just updating balances in the ledgers of the intermediary financial institutions. There are no physical dollars moving around as a result. This generally works pretty well. So what are the downsides? First, the intermediaries will charge fees for the privilege of using their systems. For example, every time you use a credit card for a purchase, the credit card company will charge the merchant about 3% of the transaction as a fee. Banks will charge you all kinds of other transaction and account fees as well. More importantly, the intermediary is in control of your money. Your transactions can be censored if the intermediary doesn't want you to transfer money with some persona non grata. Your account can be closed, frozen, or confiscated if the bank doesn't like your pattern of transactions or if creditors come asking. Further, you're trusting the government that issues the money to manage it well. We are relatively lucky in the USA, but history is full of hundreds of examples of a central bank mismanaging its money into oblivion through hyperinflation. So how is Bitcoin different? Bitcoin is the first truly decentralized digital currency. You can transfer money directly to somebody else over the internet without asking for permission from an intermediary. The currency supply is limited, counterfeiting is impossible, and there is no third party you need to trust for it to retain its value. How it achieves these properties is something we'll leave for another time.